It's time for another weeknight winner.
And this time we're taking you to pasta heaven.
That's right. These incredible Italian flavors come together to make the most amazing dish.
You know what they say in Italy?
What?
Buon appetito!
I'm pretty sure they don't say that. Anyway, welcome. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My can't speak a lick of Italian Loon.
No.
But boy, does he try. Folks, this is so great. This is one of our favorite dishes of all time.
So good.
And it's so easy. It's perfect for a weeknight. And I swear your family is going to swear you went to Italy and learned how to cook because it's just amazing.
Totally.
So we've got a nice large skillet here that we've got over, I'd say, medium-high heat. And we are going, I put in 6 tablespoons of olive oil, good quality olive oil. And now we want this good, well, you may hear in the background, it's not the bubbling ocean or the churning ocean. It is, we've got a nice big pasta pot of water boiling. Remember, we added a liberal amount of salt to that water. Salt it up. And get it boiling because this comes together very, very quickly.
And that is a lot of garlic.
It just works. And this is, I mean, I normally would say, don't overdo it on the garlic, but it really all comes together with these flavors.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, so this is going to go for just a couple of minutes.
Well, that's cooking. I'm going to get the shrimp already. These are medium shrimp. We've deveined them. They're declawed.
We've declawed you.
And taken off the wrappers, the skins. And we're going to just dress them up a little bit with some herbs. And we've got a teaspoon of oregano. That's fresh.
If you can go with fresh.
Oregano.
Dried is always an option, but for this dish, fresh just brings it to life.
So good. And it just smells good when it's fresh.
I know,
and then we've got a tablespoon of parsley.
Parsley.
Like that. And basil. Yay, a quarter cup of basil. So good.
Yum.
And so I'm just going to get this all mixed together with this shrimp. And then we're going to take this shrimp and we're going to throw it in your
throw it in my garlic mixture.
We're going to throw it in your hair.
I was going to say, watch where you're throwing that. Okay, so I'm going to let this, you don't want it beat, you want to keep an eye on this. This literally only goes about 2 minutes. You do not want it to burn. If you get burnt garlic, you might as well just start all over because...
Yeah, burnt garlic is what you smell when the guy's burping behind you at the theater.
No, you always bring up that reference.
I know.
No, burnt garlic is even worse than that. It's like acrid, it's bad, it's really, you don't want it. Okay, so we're going to let this go for about another minute, and then we're going to add that beautiful mixture to this. Okay, and just like that, we're timed.
That
it's
looks
time to do
great,
it.
too.
And the smell,
right.
Can we talk about the smell for just a moment?
Put them in.
Okay.
Chris, there you go.
This serves, I would say this...
Yes, let's talk about the smell, sorry.
Okay. Let's talk about it. Let's not talk about it. Let's smell it. This is going to comfortably serve anywhere from 2 to 4 people. Us, 2.
Yeah.
But if you want to serve more,
just give me all the shrimp.
I know you can double this recipe, and like I said, it's kind of like when you're cooking Asian, especially when you're cooking seafood. It comes together very quickly. So have your mise en place together, and we're going to cook these till these are really nice and pink, and just cook through. And that's going to be about 4, maybe 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, the smell is
scrumptious.
So
it does smell amazing.
So they get nice and they've turned pink. They're like all curled up, like, oh, I'm so comfortable. And now we're going to turn the heat off. The Loon is going to.
Yes.
Here, let me grab this. Let me talk pasta for just a second.
Hold on.
So I love you. For something about this dish, I think angel hair just works perfect with it. It doesn't take long to cook. This is a half a pound, which is typically a half a bag. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put this in my beautiful boiling water. You can either snap it in half if you want, which makes it easier, or you can just, if you want to leave it long, you can just sort of work that pasta down into the hot water. Okay.
All right, and I'm getting all of these delicious little...
So leaving that beautiful flavor behind.
Yes.
Now I'm going to turn this back on. Okay.
All right.
So now, come on, baby.
Let's go.
Let's keep on going. Now, like I said, this doesn't take long, so you're going to want to have everything, I keep saying that, have everything in place, and keep an eye on your pasta. Okay, so now we have got a half a cup of good quality white wine.
Gonna do a little deglazing?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little deglazing, because that is gonna stick, and there's so much flavor in there. Come on, baby.
Good.
Okay, it's so amazing. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take some tomatoes. I know.
Right
and then you add the wine. That smells so amazing.
Yay!
Okay, this is gonna.
There you go.
I just get giddy for this. Now we have got some San Marzano
Stand back. I don't want to get
tomatoes,
squirted.
or some. You're going to get like a 15-ounce can. Stand back. 15-ounce can of tomatoes. Drain them. It's about a cup. So if you've got the San Marzano tomatoes that's in a larger can, you can just measure it out. But like I said, a 15-ounce should work. Thank you.
You got it.
Now we have got a half a cup of clam juice that you can easily find at the grocery store. And this, folks, this is my homemade marinara sauce. This is what really does kind of put this over the top.
Yes.
Now, it's just a half a cup. So I would strongly recommend making this on the weekend and then keeping it on hand because it makes a pretty good sized batch.
We freeze like a bunch of it, and
We do.
it's so good.
It is. And, I mean, you're going to think, I'm not going to make that whole thing just for a half a cup. But you will use it over and over again. So, but if you don't have the time, no problem. There's always good quality. Just find your favorite marinara and add it to the party.
Yay.
All right, we're going to let this cook for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Let that wine, kind of the alcohol, cook out. And then we're going to add it together. And then it's just like flavor time.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I swear.
Me.
It's like we're in, I swear, in like an amazing Italian restaurant. I'm
yes.
going to say it in Italy. Okay, I'm going to go over here and I've got my little fun mitts on. I'm going
Yes.
to take the pasta out.
Get the pasta, Ray.
I'm just
Yes.
going to let it drain for a couple of seconds. So now a word on your pasta. Just we went with angel hair, so that cooks very quickly. If you're going with a larger piece of larger pasta like linguine, then you're going to need allow for more cooking time. Okay, I just put in about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and now we're going to stir in. Oh, look at that! Make sure you get all of that goodness. This is one of my, everyone loves Italian food.
Oh, look
and
at
everybody
that.
loves good pasta. But I have to tell you, this is one of our all-time favorites because the flavor is just through the roof.
Yeah.
Now, when
It's so satisfying as
it is.
well.
Now,
too.
normally when I would do this pasta, a lot of times I would put the pasta in a separate pan first, save a little bit of that pasta water, but this is going to just mix really nicely.
Yes. There we go.
Okay.
Got
There
it.
we go.
Here, let me.
There you go. Don't burn yourself, Luke.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm sturdy.
That's true. You are.
And
okay.
my hands are clean.
That's true. Okay. So now we're just going to mix that all up.
Oh, man.
No, I know.
Oh.
This takes a couple of seconds just to get it really fully incorporated.
One thing I miss about living in the Northeast and in the New York City area is the Italian restaurants.
I know.
You could just throw a rock and hit an incredible Italian restaurant.
Yeah, and I wouldn't.
It's kind of like Tex-Mex down here compared to Italian food up north.
I wouldn't recommend throwing a rock at an Italian joint because they're not too keen on it. But the great thing is though, in our day and age, there is just so many. We have access to great food, and now you can make this amazing food at home.
You're missing right there. There you go. It's all hiding right behind you.
I know.
It's because you're not tall enough to see behind the
That's
pan there.
true. I need a little stool. Okay. All right. This is awesome. All right. Now I'm going to bring you over a nice, beautiful helping.
Hold on here. I'm going to hold it, and you do the.
Oh gosh, we're going to do that. We're really doing that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready? Oh yeah.
Howdy.
That's what I'm talking about. There you go.
Okay.
Bring it on over.
Oh boy.
Yes.
All right, now I'm going to bring this on back.
Yeah.
We're having fun here.
Yeah.
I feel like we're Lady and the Tramp. So fitting, aren't we?
Fabulous.
Okay.
All right. There you go.
Now you
Hold on.
Clean that up a little bit, Tramp.
Oh, you guys.
Or Lady. I'm telling you.
That's terrible.
It's so true.
You guys, look at that shrimp. And it really is. This angel hair, it just is so good with this pasta marinara, or this marinara.
I know. I'm making a mess here.
I'm going to just add a little bit of more parsley on top to give it a really cute, festive
Texture and beautiful. And it's just.
Yay! How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm going to give myself a little. Okay. All right. I'm just.
Wow, it looks like an Italian kitchen in here.
I know. Okay.
You guys, All right. I'm gonna
my favorite. I am so excited.
This is gonna get me. I'm gonna get all messy here.
It's okay.
Yeah. Hold on, Chris. Hold.
I know.
Spoon
Roll up that.
pasta. Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, you didn't break it.
No, I
You're
should
gonna
have
get yelled at. You know, people are gonna say you should break your pasta.
Well, you like it long.
I
and
do.
straight.
It's
You wanna
quite
do-
the
should
affair.
we-
Look
should
at
we
that.
do that scene from Lady in the Tramp?
All right, I'm gonna just cut it off with my teeth. All right, let's go.
That is so flavorful. And it's just so good.
That's shrimp. That
I know.
marinara, Chris.
Is well, I know the marinara.
I love it. It's just a little bit of it, but it goes a long way.
I know. Oh, it's so good.
Y'all,
Sorry, we're just like eating.
make this. You and your family will love it. You can even do date night, which is nice. Kind of like what we're having right now.
I tell you, it feeds. Yeah, we are. I have easily four people. I mean, anyway.
This is 1,000% Luna
Baby shrimp marinara.
I love it.
I love it. Oh my gosh, we're gonna just gorge. All right, bye everybody. We love you so
Love
much.